Okay, hello everyone. Today we're going to do some of one of the features of Bybit, and we're going to do multi-currency. That's the fiat. That's your money. Multi-currency forex where crypto trading, which Bybit offers as an advantage. So, so let's start with so let's say here's the use case, right? So basically today's January 2025, right? So we trade Bitcoin with 101,000 US dollar for one Bitcoin, which is also equivalent to 81,000 sterling pounds and 97,000 euro, which means the stronger currency is GBP here, right? Now on February, it still remains the same for euro and GBP. Well, what actually happens is that the price of BTC is now 120,000 US dollars. So if you're not aware of forex, what's actually happened is that the value of US dollars go down, right? And this is where it goes. That's why at 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 a quick look, if you're trading with just dollars, oh, I have 20,000 made profit of actually 20,000 US dollars. So, and then that's a lot of money, but in the real world, the dollars go down, and if it happens to go down to 95 BTC, you actually lose value of your money. So that's the use case. So what if that happens? What you're supposed to be doing if you have sterling pound is buy BTC and then buy US dollars. So and then you have a lot of US dollars without without touching or without touching your crypto investment, because in the real world, in this case, the US dollar went down, right? So US dollar is not always strong and sometimes weak, but it's a stable coin that happens sometimes, but the movement is around $0.5, point 0. Now this is just 0.05 US dollars, right? So it's very small actually. It's negligible, but if you're trying to make a profit of it, now that sterling pound is very strong, oh, dollars is very strong, sterling pound is weak. So you can actually buy sterling pounds with the dollars today. So that's the case. How do we manage that in Bybit? So Bybit has native multi-currency support. So there's a lot of, it accepts a lot of currency and it's native to Bybit. And you can create a sub account. I want to trade with euro. I want to trade with sterling pound. I'll show that the demo later on. And then um, and there's a native support for multi-currency pair trading. So it's already there. It's native. So you have euro against ETH. But uh, it we don't have this for GBP. It's there's widely pair for euro and BRC and BRL, which is Brazilian coins and Bahrain real. So which you can make use of. So just in case the dollar go down, you can make use of other currency. Or you can actually trade currency in Bitcoin. So enough talk, let's go to the demo. Okay, so let's go to my Bybit and I'm on my main account. This is my main account. And I actually have these are my sub account. We'll dive into that later. So let's go to my funding account here. and I go to funding account on my main account. I actually have USDE and I have TON. So this is in earning interest. I don't have to stake that. That's why it's on my funding account and not on my earning account. So what I'm going to do is I want to enable my GBP, for example, GBP trading, and I'm gonna transfer this to my GBP. Uh, I'm gonna transfer that to my GBP trading account, which is my sterling pound account. Because right now it's zero, so I'm going to send that from my funding and then send it to my sterling GBP. And I'm gonna transfer everything and then confirm. And now let's go to my sterling uh, sub account. This is a sterling sub account, and you are supposed to see that I have here 13.44 GBP. So it actually automatically calculated my uh, money from USD to GBP without any any hassle, right? So in and it's still earning here. So it's still earning USD, but it has the GBP equivalent. Okay, and it's still dollar, but that translate into GBP. So if I'm trading with GBP, I don't have a problem with that. Now let's go back to my main account, and I also have here my euro trading account. So this is my euro, and I'm gonna buy euro. Okay, so this is my euro trading account, and I have nothing on my funding account, and I'm gonna go to my, but I have a 7.50 per asset, which is on my unified trading. Okay, so and now I want to stock BTC here because against my euro, because when euro becomes weak, I'm gonna buy euro and stockpile the euro money, right? Or yeah, whatever is the case. So and here I'm going to I'm making euro euro from this account. Okay, so if I go back to my main account, let's go to my main account, and well, what we're going to do is what what we're going to do is I'm gonna transfer my asset from funding account, and there's a ton here. I'm gonna make real uh I'm gonna make a real euro out of this ton, right? So it's 8. So I'm gonna transfer that to my trading, right? All ton. And we go to my, and then I'm gonna trade, right? Because it's already on my unified trading account. So I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna trade ton, and hey ton, where are you? I'm gonna trade ton, and I'm gonna make euro out of it. Okay, there. So that's euro, and we're gonna sell to this guy here. Everything, all the ton we have. Right. Why am I not go to my unified trading? Make sure we have ton. Hang on a second. Unified trading. We have ton, right? I'm sure about that. I just transferred it a while ago. Okay, I have ton, which is $8.95 on my unified trading. So I'm gonna trade ton to euro now. Yeah, Bybit is very complex. There's a lot to learn, but there's a lot of opportunity that you can do. Okay, I'm gonna because we did not click sell. Okay, that's really crazy. And we're selling to this guy here, and we're gonna sell everything, and that's 8.59, which is also wait. Make sure we're selling ton against the euro, right? Okay. Assuming that euro is weak, so instead of making uh yeah making a trade with the dollar, I'm gonna trade with the euro, so I get a lot of money, and it's now going to make 8.578 euro. Gonna trade with this guy, right? And I'm gonna sell ton, and we're going to make euro, which is 8.59 euro. And there she goes. And yeah, that was successful. And we go to our unified trading account. Right, where's that? Asset. Go to unified trading. And now we have money in euro, which means I'm rich. Joke. Now I have 8.55 euro. Yay! Okay. And I'm gonna transfer that to my what? I'm gonna send that back to my funding, and we'll try to, you know, stake. Okay, there it goes. So yeah, so my euro is gone, and it's now on my funding account, right? But observe what happens, so you don't get mad with uh and there's no euro. You don't have to worry. Euro did not go. It's actually here on your fiat, right? And there it is. And I'm gonna transfer that to my euro trading account, right? Oh, sorry. Wait. So I can transfer that to my transfer, not trade, right? And then transfer that to sub account, and wait, sub account, funding, we're gonna choose euro trading and all, and then just click on confirm, and there you go. We go to my euro trading, and now I have a euro which I can keep for now, and yeah. And this is on my funding account, and then I can trade, transfer this to my, now I have, yeah, transfer that to my funding and confirm, and there you go. Now I have my asset in euro, and I also have asset in sterling GBP, which means I'm rich. Joke. So I have my asset in sterling GBP. my asset in dollars using a single Bybit account. So I don't have to create, a lot of trading account, and it can accommodate my multi-currency forex aware trading. Okay, so uh, we're gonna what else we're gonna do? Let's go to let's go to my what? Let's go to my euro trading. I'm gonna trade euro versus the Bitcoin, right? And funding, no more funding, and then let's just trade spot, and I'm gonna trade BTC versus euro. All right, there you go. And yeah, make sure that that's BTC against the euro coins or the euro currency. Okay, and we're gonna buy everything, right? And we're gonna buy the highest price of Bitcoin because I feel I'm rich. buy buy everything, okay, buy BTC, that's cool. And yeah, we managed to buy that, and go to our asset, and we have asset in our unified trading, and you have now 16 euro, which is actually Bitcoin. That's how you can forex aware trading using multi-currency or forex aware trading. And can I what if I transfer that to my savings, to my funding and all? I can't. I need more Bitcoin. Okay. But yeah, so I cannot stake that, which is sad. Can I stake here? That is supposed to be yes. Well, that's okay. I have 16 euro anyway, so when Bitcoin goes up and it makes around 20, I'm gonna sell my Bitcoin. Let's do it today. Okay. BTC, okay. So let's go to BTC, and I'm gonna sell that, and that's BTC Euro, right? And I'm gonna sell everything when it makes 2800, right? Why? That makes us, we're selling, right? Maximum BTC 1.58. Oh, okay. I know. Uh, yeah, it's make 15, which is crazy. Oh, we have 16. That's 16. The equivalent of that is 16 euro if I don't trade it. But it's a bit crazy, there must be a mistake. So we have my BTC is 16. Oh, it's 15. Okay. Yeah, yeah, it's 15. And then I'm gonna sell that when it hits 20. Trade. Yeah, just do it. Okay, that's BTC. BTC against the euro. Right, we're gonna sell that. We're gonna sell that with the highest price. Right, we're selling. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's BTC against the euro, and then we sell that right now. It will give us how much? Why can I sell my euro? That's just fine. We'll go back to that later. There must be something wrong. I should be able to sell my BTC is only just 0.6, which is weird, right? Because that's not the case. Okay. Maybe, there must be a bug or something. Or there must be something I don't understand. Well, try to find it out. But for now, I'm okay with my BTC against, I have an asset in BTC. I have an asset in BTC, which is a euro equivalent on my euro trading platform. Right. And yeah, that's how you do. And then we have sterling pound account. And yeah, what's this? Next page, next page, next page. Anyway, he log out me. Okay, this is crazy. Show me my asset. Okay, 13 GBP. Yeah, I'm gonna sort that out. There might be a mistake with the trading and and then of course I can, yeah, send it anywhere into my, yeah, that will earn interest no matter where it is placed. That's the USD, uh, which is cool. Okay, so that's all for now. That's how you do multi currency trading. And again, that's the strategy is, in case the dollar goes down or goes weak, I can switch to my other fiat like GBP or Euro or Bahrain Real easily and quickly using my tools in Bybit, which are native currency support. I have sub account, and then I have native support for multi-currency trading pair, which is, this is right now, most of this is against Euro and BRC and BRL, and there's a lot more. Yeah, PLN, TRY, and that's the Solana chain. Yeah. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and see you again for more tutorials on crypto. I hope you enjoy learning with me.